They told you Bosnia was born after the war? What if I told you it was recognized in Europe over 830 years ago? It's the year 1189. Ban Kulin issues the charter, the oldest known diplomatic document in a Slavic language, written in Bosnian Cyrillic. It says the name Ban Kulin and the land Bosnia. In Dubrovnik, he is recognized. Merchants travel freely. Bosnia, a state respected and sovereign. And what you see here, this is the charter, written in 1189, from the Ban, for Bosnia. The people were called Bosniani. They believed differently, but lived together, in peace. That's why the name Kulin must never be forgotten, because with it, the truth disappears.